Hi there! Today, we'll learn how to create new staff positions in the Slimrate POS system. First, open the admin panel and go to the staff section. Right now, the company has only one role, owner. Let's add another one, cashier. Go to the position category. In the top right corner, click the green plus new button. Give the position a name, in this case, cashier. Now, let's set up access. Under tablet access, choose which actions the cashier can and cannot perform on the work tablet. Then, assign their permissions for the admin panel. When everything is ready, click Save in the bottom right corner. And that's it! The new position, cashier, has been created. You can edit or delete it anytime. In the next video, we'll learn how to add a new employee to any position.